What's growing? Andrew, Fairweather Farmer, and today we're talking about growing tomatillos, which are native to Mexico and Central America. We grow them very similarly to a tomato, and you can actually see by the growth pattern that it is in the Solanaceae family because the leaves actually look like peppers or tomatoes a little bit. Not quite like eggplant, but they have that style of leaf. And here you can see that the tomatillos have kind of fallen over. Here we're really late in the season. We've actually had 2 frosts and the plants have not been damaged, but they are not very tolerant to the cold. They are a heat crop. A trellis would probably be a good idea, but we've been able to do it without it. We started them in 50 cells, like about 10-12 seeds per cell, and then we potted them up to 4-inch pots before we came and planted them here. And here they're growing on just like a black plastic mulch that helps to hold in the humidity, give it a little extra heat. And then when it comes time to harvesting, this variety is called Tama Verde, so it's supposed to be green. If you wait too long, if I see here, this one has been a little bit too long, and it's still green, but it's already coming out of the wrapper. These look a little bit like ground cherries, and basically when it's fully ready, it should fill the wrapper up, but the wrapper should still be closed. So this is a little bit late, this is a little bit early. When you harvest, it's tactile, so you want to be feeling and seeing how big the tomatillo is inside of the husk. And if it's big enough, you'll take it, and if it's a little bit small, you'll leave it for next time. If the tomatillo is no longer green and it's turned yellow or purple, it's past maturity. And you can make all kind of great things. You can make like a salsa verde, you can roast these, you can boil them, you can make like a stew, you can add them to like a guacamole. So go ahead and grow yourself some tomatillos.